So fuck y'all, man. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch, dog. Fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fuck it, a sick duck. I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy. But you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick, dummy. You get your butt kicked, fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut, it's funny. Shorty dance while I diss it to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve, sucker. Motherfucker, might as well let my lips pucker like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. The shit is on, cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So pop the Buddha, light a bomb. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I inspire you to write a song. Come on. Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks, I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I'll show you pussyfootin'. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me.